So I've been using this knife to kind of clean out my sink because it's still clogging. And look at all of this junk that was in there. It's not hair. What the hell is this? What the fuck is this? That looks like dirt. That's dirt. I don't even shave in here. I don't shave in here. What the fuck? This is crazy. What is this? What is this? So apparently you're not supposed to use Drano on your sink in the bathroom. I'm not. Hopefully, who cares the brand, but dish spray cuts tough on grease. Fingers crossed. Oh, this is not, I hardly have any left. Ugh. All right, I'll use some dish spray and I'll use some soap too. I'll keep you updated. Actually, there was enough in here. I just emptied out the bottle. Let me let it sit for a few minutes and then I'll put hot water on it and hopefully it'll stop clogging. What was that? Ew. I've already done the baking soda and vinegar thing. Fudge. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of dish soap. I think this will all work. I think the dish soap might be the magic ingredient. Fingers crossed. I wish I could just fix it myself. Goodness. It's not giving me a lot of action. Does anybody know a good, reasonably priced plumber in Vegas? Hit me up. Wait. I think I fixed it. I think it worked finally. Let's look at this. Wait, I think it worked. Oh my God. Wait, is this how it should be? Let's see. All right, okay. Oh my God! Let's do it again. Oh my God! All right, let's let it get pretty high and let's see. Oh my God, wow. Okay. I was just expecting to see a little swirly action. I mean, it is kind of slow, but oh yeah, I don't know. It's slow, but it works. I guess it might just be like a temporary fix. Now it's not working. Fudge. Oh, okay. I mean, good enough. God, adulting.